धन्यवाद साथाले आमा आपा हिँडेको छाइते होली मात्रले गाईको रिक्वेस्ट र अब हाम्रो यो जातीय झण्डा यसपालिदेखि हामी प्रत्येक घर घरमा लगाउन पनि हामीले यो झण्डा बनाएका छौँ।
West Bengal Farming Culture and Development Board, today's chief guests, Jerry and Humi, Tete and Bubu. Apra Bachinde and very warm good morning. Today, I'm here in front of you all to say something about Bhumi Puja. How is it performed and what is the essence of Bhumi Puja? Bhumi Puja is a system of nature worshipper which is based on the veneration of natural phenomena, where it gives an opportunity to take our minds off of the tasks at hand and focus on hand recognition and appreciation for all that has been done on previous year. It is celebrated in the month of December, which is considered as an extremely auspicious day. It is believed that Bhumi Puja is celebrated for the peace and harmony to all the living beings of the world. The puja is the consecration ceremony, which is done by the Thami priest, which we call Guru Appa, performing a pratishtha to invite Bhumideva like a guest. In this day, all the deities seek his protection and blessings. It also creates the coexistence of humanity and nature's creation, which is celebrated with full devotion and joy, which is immensely venerated all over the world. It also gives us the opportunity to serve to mankind with full heart and soul. This special occasion gives an honor and important detail in our life. Share this special moment with the people that we love. The occasions bring our people together in unity, harmony and peace. With this Bhumi Puja, we can make us forget the troubles and the stress of life and gives us a symbol of energy and strength, where he is considered as the living embodiment of love in our community. During this puja, we rise early in the morning and take a bath, do dhana, a place that we sincerely offer to God. This is one of the most awaited puja in a year, celebrated mostly by the Thami or Thami community, which is celebrated with great fanfare and joy. While celebrating Bhumi Puja, burning of incense stick, as we call Sanghu, a lighting of lamp, and Puchu, and offering Bimsing party at altar and chant mantra by Guru Appa in order to seek the blessing of Bhumi Deva. After doing this, we offer fruits and other vegetables, as we call prasad. This is prepared at home for the puja. Then we distribute the prasad among the family members and invitees. With this puja, we strengthen a person to fight all illness, get a good health, and bestows with his strength, vitality, and courage in getting victorious over enemies. Leadership qualities are also enhanced, and the worshipper gets the power to face all the hurdles and overcome bad habits like corruption, adultery, laziness, fickle-mindedness, procrastination, etc. This puja also helps in bringing the adverse effect of Shani Dasa and makes physically, mentally, and intellectually strong and bring confidence and stable mind in deities. Thank you, Jai Bombay Deva.
I thank from my heart the organizer here. The organizer, Thami Board and Culture Board and Development, Thami Culture Development Board, Cultural and Development Association. I thank all the organizers and I thank also here present all the local inhabitants of Thami community. A few words from me. These are very important for you. We have already opened our schools. You know it. From 16th November, we have opened all the schools, high and higher secondary schools. I request you to send your children, and here some students are also present. So I request you to send the children to school so that our attendance become very good and go to the maximum level. This is the first point. Second is very important for you. I request you all to maintain COVID protocols. COVID protocols means wearing of masks. I request you again. Washing of hands with soaps. Washing of hands with soaps after return from any journey outside touring, outside work. Please, at the time of going to house, at the entering house, please wash your hands properly. This is very important. And third is use of sanitizers. But first two things, wearing of mask and second is washing of hands with soaps. This is very important. Duwari Sarkar will come soon. You know that Duwari Sarkar will start in the month of January. So the beneficiaries, please enroll your name in Duwari Sarkar camps. Don't keep it aside. Enroll your name in Duwari Sarkar camp. It will help you. Many programs are there. And another important program is going to be held soon. That is National Voters Day in the month of January. 26th is our 26th January. Which day it is? 26th January? Republic Day. So, before this Republic Day, we can hold our National Voters Day. So, please enroll your name. Enroll your name in voter list. If not, if you are 18 years of age, if you are the citizen of India, and if you are local ordinary resident. Only these three criteria are necessary for enrolling your name. Another important program is going to be held. This is the biggest problem of Darjeeling is water related problem. We are going to arrange 5 water supply in most of the households. So please help the workers, municipality workers, that is in Darjeeling municipality, we shall arrange it. So please help our workers, municipality workers, so that we become able to complete it by February. Within December we want to complete 6,600 households, 5 water supply. Within March we want to complete all. near about 23,000 houses. So please help them also. Help the workers who are going to your area, who are going to enroll your family's name, family's details, please enroll them. Please help them. And I also request you, if any meritorious student is present here, please enroll in our student credit card portal. West Bengal Government Student Credit Card Portal. Please enroll your name. There is a scheme up to 40 years of age. This scheme is for student. This scheme is meant for student. Age limit 40 years. Anyone can avail it. Any student can avail it for studying higher education. These are all from me. I thank you again for calling me here, and I thank Robina Madam. She is doing exceptionally well. Housing for all scheme. Geotagging is important. Housing for all and geotagging. Housing scheme and geotagging. Please do it properly. That will help you a lot. Thank you very much.
Seva, I'm honored to come over here in front of you all and give an introduction about culture, tradition and beliefs of Thami community. Many people are not aware of origin and identity of Thami community. The name Thami itself carries a historical background. We Thami are least known group and largely occupying mostly the district of Dolakha and Sindhupalchok in Nepal, are known to be scattered in 16 districts of Nepal, Sikkim and Darjeeling. The origin of our tribe can be traced back to the ancient literature of Mongolia. For today, it is all heard as a story or a mythical fable upon various legends regarding the origin of Thami. It is very enjoying to know the historical background where, when once a priest saw a stranger carrying the trunk, he stopped and asked what he was doing with the tree. He said that he had no name and that he wanted to sell the trunk for construction of his house, and thus he named the stranger Thami. That is the one who carried the wooden pillar. Another legend says Thami were the nomadic people from the west who settled in a place called Thami, situated in the south Nepal. But as they could not make a settlement, they migrated further east, Merbi. Two families could reach a place called Suspa, where they married each other to increase their population. The oldest original tribe of the Indian subcontinent displayed a distinctive culture and tradition different from the mainstream society. In fact, the Thami migrated to the northern Himalayas of India landforms, Central Asia in search of food and accommodation well centuries ago. In West Bengal, the Thami impart a distinctive culture where one can easily experience the rich variety of folk tradition, culture, dance in the hills and plains of Darjeeling district. Especially, Thamis are known for their courage, bravery, honesty and trust. Coming into our language, this is vast debate upon language because the people of this community are categorized under the Tibeto-Burman language. We locally and respectively use our language among our community, and with the rest of other community, we converse in Nepali language. The Thami language has two important dialects, that is, the Dolakha dialect and Sindhupalchok dialect. However, the two dialects are different in terms of phonology and verbal morphology. But Dolakha dialect has more respect in our community and it is also spoken more. Thirdly, sub-caste and sub-caste. Every tribe has caste and sub-caste, and we also do have 7 major male castes, and most uniquely, we have female neighbors who have their own 7 castes. They all are in a descending orders. Only the son receives the caste of father, and the daughter is passed down the mother's caste. Now, let's move in towards the economic status of Thamis. Thamis maintain a strong culture of cattle farming, which includes cow feeding or gau palan, sheep, goats, and fields farming. But in the present days of modern world, everyone is in a rush for their well-being. We all are changing gradually, and we expect to see more rising days in future. Now, talking about our ethnic wear. Nowadays, everyone is fascinated about their traditional wear or attire. We do not lag behind in this factor. Thami people mostly wear traditional dress called bhangra, and the female member wear danti along with crude ornaments. As you can see today, many of our people are beautifully dressed along with their attire with more accessories like kanko bala earrings, mundri, a ring between 2 nostrils, hari, necklace made by coins, fulao, necklace made by red stone, chura, large bracelets, or finger rings. The color of our dress is barky brown for both male and female. Male wear a basically white cloth and wrapped around their waist called patuki and white headgear tied upon their head. The barky brown dress were originally made from nettle root fiber. Moving into the religion in 4000 BC, the Thami people started worshipping the nature gods. We particularly worship the earth Bhumi, along with a few other nature deities. The basic Thami religion can be illustrated as animism, that is, Banpol or nature worship, and shamanism during the major aspects of life such as birth, naming ceremony, marriages, as well as in the death. The presence of the most eldest and experienced shaman are known to be the Guru Appa is essential, and there is no traces of Buddhism, Christianity, and others in our culture. The major gods of Thamis are the great Bhume Deva, that is, the most important deity of the Thami people, and the earth god, that is, the earth god. He is held as the food giver and protector of all, hence it is also revered as the giver of life. The Bhume Deva is worshipped twice a year, once before sowing the seed in the field and after the harvesting. Next is Nage Deva, the snake deity or the Nag Deva. The god is valued and respected as the defender of our home. It is believed to be now responsible to guard the families along with the agricultural land against disaster. Other one is Vishakarma Deva. Now, there is a common mistake of people confusing our Vishakarma Deva with the Vishwakarma, god of Hindu community. The deity is responsible for the health of family members and for the commencement of the auspicious occasion. Gosai Deva. He is the god of the chief economic activities of the Thami people, that is, cattle herding. Lastly, however, through thick and thin, we Thamis are proud of ourselves and we are doing better than yesterday in all fields of social, economic and cultural way to develop a sense of community, consciousness, and we are tightly connected. Thank you.
सिका होमीलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। कर्ण थामी पुरस्कार र यस पुरस्कारको निम्ति सर्वप्रथम म हाम्रो समाजका सभापतिलाई मञ्चमा आइदिन भनी निवेदन गर्दछु। साथैमा हाम्रो उपसभापति, कोषाध्यक्ष, हाम्रा विकास बोर्डका चेयरम्यान सबैलाई मञ्चमा आइदिन भनी म फेरि निवेदन गर्दछु। र हामीले सम्मान पत्र हाम्रा लट्यापाका श्रीमती पूर्णी धामीको बाहुलीबाट प्रदान गरिरहेका छौँ। यसै गरी हाम्रा विकास बोर्डका चेयरम्यानले कासाको एउटा सम्मान पनि प्रदान गरिदिनु भनी निवेदन गर्दछु। सबैले थप्पडी लगाइदियोस् भनी म विनम्र निवेदन गर्दछु। यसै साथ
महाजान ताली महाजान अलि छिटो
यसै साथ हाम्रा कोषाध्यक्षज्यूले पनि उहाँलाई सम्मान पत्रले सम्मानित गरिदिनु भनी म निवेदन गर्दछु।
आहे ताली तापको मैदी थियो शाखाले ताली एकदम रेगुलर नछ
र हामीले सुवा आमालाई एउटा कासाको थाल पनि सम्मान गरी प्रदान गरिरहेछौँ हाम्रो सभापतिको बाहुलीबाट।
शाखालेको ला चिसो थाखाले नानी ताली नै मारान
र अन्तमा हामीले एउटा सानो भूमि गरी सम्मानित गर्न म स्वयं हाम्रा शोभा आमालाई प्रदान गर्न चाहन्छु।
ताली एकदम अझै चेका पिसानीको आमाकै ताली महाजान कन्टिन्यू नछ ताली कन्टिन्यू नछ।
र फेरि हाम्रो तेस्रो पुरस्कार हाम्रा स्वर्गीय साहित्यकार कर्ण थामीज्यूको नाममा हाम्रा शरण भाइलाई हामी प्रदान गरिरहेका छौँ र यस विषयमा 2 शब्द राखिदिनु भनी म शिखा हामीलाई विनम्र निवेदन गरिरहेको छु।
थामी सांस्कृतिक एवं विकास संघ दार्जिलिङ पश्चिम बङ्गाल भारत साहित्यकार कर्ण थामी स्मृति पुरस्कार सेवामा श्रीमान शरण थामी बिजनबारी दार्जिलिङ। महाशय, यहाँले शिक्षा अध्ययनमा बडो मेहनत गरेर स्थानीय बिजनबारी डिग्री कलेजबाट अङ्ग्रेजी सम्मानमा महाविद्यालयभरिमा सर्वोच्च अङ्क 87.67% प्राप्त गरी हामी जाति मात्र होइन तर समग्र गोर्खा जातिमाझ पनि आफ्नो प्रतिभा प्रदर्शन गर्नुभएको छ। माता श्रीमती मनकुमारी थामी अनि पिता रमेश थामीको पुत्रका रूपमा जन्मन लिई माता पिता शाखा सन्तान अनि समग्र थामी जातिको गौरव बन्नुभयो। यहाँले यसरी ठुलो उपलब्धि हासिल गर्नुभएकोमा हामी पनि उत्तिकै गौरवान्वित छौँ। यसर्थ आजको यस पुनीत अवसरमा यहाँलाई यस पुरस्कारद्वारा सम्मानित तुल्याउन पाउँदा गर्व महसुस गरेको छ। आगामी दिनमा पनि यहाँले उत्तरोत्तर प्रगति गर्दै जानुहुनेछ भनी हामी विश्वस्त छौँ। यहाँलाई हार्दिक बधाई अनि शुभकामना। अध्यक्ष विकास संघ थामी सांस्कृतिक एवं विकास संघ, सचिव सुमिरन थामी सांस्कृतिक एवं विकास संघ।
धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। र यसै गरी हाम्रा शरण भाइलाई हाम्रा सभापतिको बाहुलीबाट सम्मान पत्र प्रदान गरिरहेका छौँ।
सबैजना सरकारले
बालदानी अर्पण गरिरहेका
सरकारले ताली कन्टिन्यू गर्छ र ताली कन्टिन्यू गर्छ ताली कन्टिन्यू गर्छ कन्टिन्यू लाता त छैन क्या
यसै गरी हाम्रा समाजका उपसभापतिद्वारा स्मृति चिन्ह प्रदान गरिदिनु भनी म निवेदन गर्दछु।
ताली मौसम ताप्ने हुन्छ एकछिन ताली ताप्ने अलि लाता त खाइदिएर
र अन्तमा हाम्रा कोषाध्यक्ष श्री रोहित थामीले हाम्रो सपन भाइलाई एउटा थामी सांस्कृतिक एवं विकास सङ्घको तर्फबाट एउटा क्यामेरा प्रदान गरिरहेका छौँ।
ताली मौसम ताली एकछिन ताली मौसम ताप्ने हुन्छ ताली अलि मौसम अलि अझै कन्टिन्यू
र यसरी आशा राख्दै अर्को वर्ष पनि हामीले हाम्रा जातिभित्र जातिमध्ये अरूलाई पनि सम्मानित गर्न सकौँ भन्ने आशा राख्दै म अन्तमा हाम्रो सभापतिलाई हाम्रो श्रीमती पूर्णी थामीलाई पनि बालदानी अर्पण गरेर सम्मानित गर्न भनी निवेदन गर्दछु। हामी सांस्कृतिक एवं विकास सङ्घका अध्यक्ष अनि हाम्रा विकास बोर्डका चेयरम्यानलाई पनि मञ्चमा आइदिनु निवेदन गर्दछु।
कविता दिदीले माला फुट्दैछ
सभापतिको बाहुलीबाट हाम्रा विकास बोर्डका चेयरपर्सनलाई बालदानी अर्पण गरिरहेका छन्। यसै गरी हाम्रा उपसभापतिको बाहुलीबाट हाम्रो चेयरपर्सनलाई साल अर्पण गरिरहेका छन्।
जोरदारताले स्वागत गर्दछौँ।
यसै गरी हाम्रा शाखाका प्रतिनिधि बाहेक इनाम केन्द्र समिति अधुरो छ। यसै गरी हाम्रा शाखाका प्रतिनिधिहरूलाई हाम्रो सभापति अनि उपसभापतिद्वारा अवैध अर्पण गर्न भनी म निवेदन गर्दछु।
गाई फेले उनीलाई बेची म बोलेको संस्कृति